Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Angry Polar Bear Club. 10,000 unique angry polar bears are living on the Ethereum blockchain. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called angrypolarbearclub.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check it out. I'm going to go in great detail and explain to you the storyline, the utilities, the rarity, the specs about, and obviously the roadmap and the team behind this absolutely brilliant NFT that is coming right now. Now, the storyline behind it is quite unique. 10,000 unique angry polar bears are living on the Ethereum blockchain. They're really upset at us humans for being so careless about global warming. Now, obviously, the first line, as you can see, is actually targeting the climate change. So they have a strategy in place from the very start. Now, this is the main reason the Arctic is melting twice as fast, and therefore the habitat is being damaged, causing their species to go into danger with the probability of going extinct. Now, we, the Angry Polar Bear Club, the APBC, aim to create a community that cares about their species and wants to make a change in the world by stepping up and making a difference. Now, the strategy over here is very clear. The NFT that is being developed and the NFT that is being marketed and the NFT that is being taken to the market to individuals is the fact that they actually want to create a community that actually helps with decrease of the climate change and actually supporting and helping these particular polar bears that are going extinct. And obviously their main goal is to contribute to the never-ending fight against global warming and help their polar bears achieve their life that they actually deserve. So let's save the polar bears together. So you are not just buying an NFT, you're getting involved in a cause. You're getting involved in something that is important, something that it will cause a change, a societal change, a cultural change, a systematical change into the way people think. And the benefits of having an angry polar bear NFT is not just the fact that you are being more socially aware and helping society, but also it benefits you as an investment. You have a voice in the project. That having an angry polar bear gives you a voice in the development and the success of the project through the AMA with the development team and the formalizing of the voting system. All decision making on the project's future will be decided to the DAO voting system. So you will have a voice. You owning the NFT will have a systematic methodology implemented in which your decisions, what you think, could be implemented on a very high scale. And obviously there is a low risk and high reward. They have decided to launch a low cost NFT so all members have a chance to make a good profit out of it. Knowing the utilities of this project, you will never find these prices anywhere. And that is why I personally feel that this particular NFT is something very special. It has a social cause attached to it. And obviously their aim is not just making a profit. Their aim is not just going into the market and creating a disturbance, but making a difference. And that is why you can actually breed. By owning 2 angry polar bears, you will be able to breed both and get 1 baby polar bear for free. And you can explore the metaverse with them as well. At the Angry Polar Bear Club, they're committed to exploring all possibilities of the metaverse. And by joining the community, you will actually have access to the metaverse first. And they plan to purchase land in the Decentraland and make it Angry Polar Bear holders exclusive only. You will have full access. Anyone owning an NFT of the Angry Polar Bear will have full commercial rights, and the art is totally and completely yours, whether you want to print it and sell merchandise, use it in advertising, or you want to start your own show. This is the main methodology, the main thought behind developing this amazing NFT is giving you the control over your NFT and you get to help polar bears. That is the best thing I personally feel by purchasing an angry polar bear NFT, either by minting one or buying it on a secondary market. A good percentage of your money goes directly to the organizations that help the polar bear species survive and fight against global warming. And you get to participate in exclusive giveaways and member events. By owning an Angry Polar Bear NFT, you will have access to multiple giveaways, including merchandise, Telsa Model Y, and so on. So you will be able to attend different community-only events, and the first will be held in the coming year. So obviously the rarity and specialties is something very unique. There are 10,000 unique NFTs with 170 different trades and more, with a pre-sale price of 0.039 Ethereum and a public sale price of 0.055 Ethereum. Now, what makes them different? And I love the fact that they've made it very clear that what sets them apart. The APB, the Angry Polar Bear Club, is not just a typical club. It is the first NFT project that focuses on helping polar bears live a longer and happier life. It is not fair for them that we do not care about all the damage that is being done to the world and the climate that has changed. The project has aesthetic appeal and offers utility like exclusive giveaways and exclusive ABP club events and access to the community DAO and the community wallet. By holding an Angry Polar Bear NFT, you will have the right to participate in many activities organized by the members of this community, and also, and most importantly, there will be huge donations to different organizations that work every day to give polar bears a better way of living and that fight against global warming. And obviously the organization will be voted by the community members and holders, so you will actually have a say in where that money is utilized and where their charity tends to go. And 10% of all royalties will be donated as well, and the only current holders will be available to vote. Now, the roadmap that they've made is something very interesting. They're introducing the Angry Polar Bear to the society. They start their project activities, they organize future giveaways, and keeping themselves busy with community art contest that begins with a high quality merchandise that is being released that is inspired by designer brands, and 50 Angry Polar Bear hoodies are given away. They are announced on the Discord, and tons of surprises for the current holders, and 5 Ethereum giveaways is distributed randomly among 5 current Angry Polar Bear holders, and they donate $150,000 to the most voted organizations that constantly help the polar bear and fight against global warming every single day. And the ultimate giveaway is one 2022 Telsa Model Y worth $80,440 to a random polar bear NFT holder, and the session will be streamed online. So this is something that will happen, and you will be able to see who gets the Telsa, and obviously they will choose to give away an electric car to help fight against global warming. Now, and later on, they're bringing the baby polar bears that are born, and breeding becomes available to the community. By owning 2 Angry Polar Bear NFTs, you can breed them and obtain a free baby polar bear NFT via airdrop. And the roadmap for 2.0 is coming very soon, and obviously the Angry Polar Bears will join the metaverse. So obviously, if you want to look at any NFT that is successful, you got to look at the team behind who have developed a strategy, who have developed this NFT, that have implemented an effective strategy that takes it to the next level. You have Rodrigo Sigma, who's the co-founder. You can check his Twitter out. You got Armando, who's the co-founder. You got Pato, the artist. Now, these individuals have put their soul into this NFT, and you can just see the amount of artistic approach that they've taken in developing this NFT. And that is why I personally feel, I'm not a financial advisor, I've done a ton of reviews of NFTs and play to earn games. I personally feel that this NFT has got the potential to go to the next level and actually help society. Now, you can join their community by joining their Discord. Now, Discord is the place that you gotta go to if you want to get reliable information. Only 2 places will give you proper information about NFT, the Twitter and the Discord. And if I want to pick one of them as the most reliable place to get information, I'm going to choose the Discord, because the Discord is a place that you get proper information about any particular NFT. Now, there's frequently asked questions. You can go over them. If you still have questions, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below on YouTube or on Facebook, or you can drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of this channel, The Educational Network, and I'll try to get back to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so I can share more videos and you can know about more amazing NFTs that are coming up. And please share these videos with your friends and your family so more people can benefit from them. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.